Good day everyone and welcome to another Dutty News where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Here are our top stories. First up, when being singled out by your favorite artiste goes wrong. No, that is 450 shades of embarrassment. But on a serious note, as some girl get fight out of them promotion, you know. In other news, Bahamian news caught up with the lady who was involved in the controversial dance with dancehall artist Dexta Daps.
Negative comments, they actually don't bother me. They're not getting to me. If anything, y'all kind of push me to a place where I always wanted to be.
This is because everybody was just so curious to find out what was going on between her legs. I am sure for this next performance that Dexta is going to ensure that
she said she know we don't know it.
Now moving right along. Now the trending hit duo Popcorn and Miss World Tony and Singh were captured kneading dumplings. Now that is what you call beauty with a purpose. Meanwhile, a conductor sprawled out his body on a driver's bonnet in peak hour traffic. I'm convinced them conductor here just have Jamaican badness. They need to try this foreign, especially in one of them redneck states there.
Are you serious?
Continuing with people behaving badly on our streets, a taxi driver blew a kiss to a woman after breaking several road rules.
So you see what happened when you leave a small space in Jamaica, then watch a man all a blow kiss after me. Him just boring him a blow kiss. Can't take Jamaica don't really know. You for bail. You drive too bad, you for bail. Oh yeah, blow me kiss. Don't blow me kiss, just drive good on the road.
Yup, that is the Jamaican male way. This you, then we kiss you. And moving right along now, congratulations are in order for Miss Mommy Rocket herself, Shelly-Ann Fraser Pyrce, after she destroyed the field, equaling her season's best time of 10.67 seconds. Yeah man, Shelly-Ann, you are literally Mommy Rocket. How do you get faster? Like, how? Now let's move our attention to the United States of America. Now, President Joe Biden recently suffered from a little tumble.
Dr. Biden, how was anniversary?
Now let's get into some animal news. Now, a dog was involved in a heel-back collision while running errands in his backyard.
The boy run like a wounded dog.
And now to this dancing story. Now, did you know that you could stir fry in reverse? Yup, definitely doing the reverse stir fry at the next party I go to. Well, now let's get into our final story. Now, I can't end this particular news segment without addressing the elephant in the room. Now, recently an elephant killed a woman, then proceeded to crazy hype on her corpse right after destroying her home. No sir, I can't reel something of this. I cannot reel something of this like humans. We just need to left the animal them alone. You remember the lion up at Jamaica Zoo bite off the man's finger, then the orangutan nearly pull off the man's leg. Now you have this elephant killing off the woman. Just allow the animal them, especially when them don't forget anything. Whew! Now we contacted the elephant and this is what he shared.
You me no hype, she must think for me soft.
Well, that is it, everyone. We've come to the end of another Dutty News where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Do take care until next time.